Now you're going to reread the poem twice with your partner. You're going to take about 3 minutes to do so. Now you're going to summarize each stanza in your reading response journal. Remember that summaries are a way of demonstrating something. They are a brief statement of the main or most important points of a text, a discussion, or your understanding of a concept, idea, topic, or issue. Remember that when you summarize a text, it is best not to include personal opinions. Rather, you should describe what happened as factually as possible while leaving out any unimportant details. As you complete this activity with your partner, I want you to think about the following. In stanza 1, the speaker discusses 2 ways that he handles anger with a friend. What are those 2 ways? In stanza 2, the speaker says he watered and sunned it. What is it? In stanza 2 as well, what is the speaker saying he did with his anger? In stanza 3, what happens as a result of not resolving his anger? What does the apple represent? In stanza 4, what is the eventual result of the speaker not resolving his anger? You will have about 7 minutes to summarize each stanza in your reading response journal. Now you will develop your response to the questions to evaluate the effects of a poison tree. You will then share your response with the class in Nearpod. You will support your response with evidence from the text. The 2 questions that you will be answering are, what metaphor is developed in this poem? What lines support the development of this metaphor? As you're answering these questions, I want you to think about the following. What 2 things are being compared in this poem? How does the title relate to the metaphor in the poem? What lines in the poem help develop this metaphor? You will have 5 minutes to answer these questions in Nearpod.